Doing well on yourself? There's a big old tree down back there. Be careful. Hello. How are y'all doing today? Doing great. It's a great day to be on the river. Doing well on yourself? Hello, how are you? Hi. Y'all having a great day? That's good. Doing really well, really good. How are y'all doing today? Doing great. Yes it is, definitely. That might be the bridge that lady was talking about earlier back. It's a pretty old bridge too. Even a dock to the left over here. It's amazing how much shrubbery brush goes up. Such a little bit of amount of time. I guess 10 years is a pretty long amount of time. Still. Now we're talking though. That's for certain. Oh, look at that bridge. Oh, that's an old railroad bridge. Still in use today. It'd be amazing if we could see a train go over it. Smell the tar that's on it. I always like that smell on railroad tar smell for some reason. Now, I don't like road tar, that's for certain. But for some reason on the railroad, railroad wood. That's a difficult word to say. It smells nice. I think it is time to take a quick break.